So as you lay here and breathe, and we bring our attention to that one point. Like I said, throughout class, we're using the asanas or the physical postures to bring one-pointed attention, bringing our mind into that one space where the monkey mind, the 10,000 thoughts, all the chemical reactions, all the electrical synapses begin to slow down. We choose what we're thinking. And so throughout class, we're choosing to heal ourselves by paying attention to proper alignment, paying attention to the way we move through a posture. But throughout meditation, we bring our attention to one pointed thought so that we can bring healing to our mind, healing to our past experiences and our future events. And so by allowing us to stay in this now moment, we can be very aware of the messages that the now is giving us, rather than past fears informing our decisions or future expectations riding the control of our actions. And so I often tell you, when you come into this space of meditation, rather than asking for a particular thing out of your day, what kind of energy do you need today? What kind of feel? Do you need to be compassionate? Do you need to be productive? Do you need to be astute and warrior-like? These are all valid energies. There's not a good or a bad energy. Being soft and kind is not bad unless you do it at your own expense. Being warrior-like is not bad unless you do it at someone else's expense, right? And so what is the energetic need of your day? Not persons, places, or things. And so make it a mantra, make it a destination, if you will, of your day to ride that energy. And instead of letting the person's, people, or thing tell you it's not that energy or that it is, you become aware of feelings within yourself rather than taking messaging from outside of you. And so what's your messages today? And so as you begin to breathe deep and you really connect to whatever that energy is that you need to feel today. And then if thoughts and things are coming into your mind, do those thoughts, those people, those places, those things come into alignment with what your needs are, what your energetic needs and desires within your day, within your life. And if they don't serve you, it doesn't mean they're bad or wrong. It just means it doesn't serve you. It's not what you need at this moment. And so as you breathe in, take in what you need, identify what it is, and then exhale out that which does not serve you any longer, that which does not make you feel as though you're on your path. You're on that energy wavelength that you need. And then with a smile on your face, you begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. You begin to deepen the breath. And so once again, remembering that meditation isn't not thinking. Meditation is training your mind to think on one thing so you can be clear about what it is, what you're thinking and feeling. The thoughts aren't coming to you so quickly that you can't identify. Those of you that are propped onto a pillow will slowly roll up to a seated position. Those of you flat on your back will make sure the bolster's moved out of the way. rolling on to whatever side beckons you today. And then, with a little love, with a little kindness, on your next inhale, roll up to a gentle seated position. Sitting tall, your eyes closed. With an inhale, sweep your arms up. And with an exhale, drop your hands in prayer in front of your chest. So humbly thank you for allowing me to guide you through a practice today. Let your minds be open and your hearts full. Namaste.